In this video, I'll be going over the Shark Tank. The Shark Tank is an effective way to revitalize aged or neglected records. The idea is to allow other users the opportunity to claim records that haven't resulted in a deal. Other reps can pull from or steal those records that fall under your Shark Tank rules. This type of structure can be automated to ensure opportunities aren't being left behind and have a chance to be reworked. The first step is to navigate to your settings. Once in your settings, you'll notice that we have a Shark Tank and a Shark Tank 2.0. The one that you'll want to set up is Shark Tank 2.0. To create a new rule, you'll click on Create New Rule in the top right-hand corner. Next, you'll need to name this. Then you'll decide if you want an hourly cap, which means only this number of records can fall into the Shark Tank within an hour. Decide what record type this will fall under, and then decide who will have access to the Shark Tank. You can choose a team, specific users, or a department, and then choose Submit. Next, you'll need to set up a rule. So you'll choose Add Rule in the lower right-hand corner. Once again, you'll want to name this. You can exclude certain statuses from falling into this Shark Tank rule or include certain statuses. So for instance, if you only want new leads, then you'll select the status new. You can also filter by the marketing channel type, marketing campaign source, or tags. Next, you can set up various field filters. So for instance, if you want the records that their last assigned date is not within the last 2 days, then you'll come here, check Not Within, and move this to 2. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom and select Save. Now you'll notice that under your leads, you have another drop-down that says Shark Tank Neglected Leads. If you have any questions about the Shark Tank 2.0, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.